Hello and welcome to Simple-ESL, a simple way to learn English. And in this English lesson, we're going to learn how to ask for information and also to tell the time in English. We've touched on this in our previous lessons, so if you'd like to go back and look at those, they are available on the playlist and on the channel. We're working on present simple tense and we're going to start using WH questions a bit more to get more information from people: who, what, where, why, when, and we'll touch a little bit on how to tell the time. If you'd like more practice with this, scan the QR code or go to our links. That will take you to our Patreon page where you can sign up for worksheets. But without further ado, let's begin the lesson. So why is it important to ask and give information in English? We've been working over the last few lessons and using verbs like to be and the present simple tense to get information and ask questions. Using WH questions means that we can get more information than we would with yes or no questions. So instead of saying, "Are you from England?" you could say, "Where are you from?" And this gives them the option to give lots of different answers and information. I'd also like you to think about when it's important to ask what the time is, what time it is. So how about walking down the street, at school? When could you ask for the time, and how is it different in English? So we have some structure here, and we can see what, where. These are WH questions that we've used in previous lessons as well. And we can use these to get more information. And we can use to get information about character, name, place, lots of different things. So let's have a look. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Have a think. How could you answer these questions? What is your name? My name is Will. I am from England. And what do you do? I am a teacher. Have a think about how you could answer these questions and how you could use WH questions to get more information. These are also known as open questions. There's lots of different answers and information that can come back. Try to fill in the blanks. Use either what or where to complete the question. Is your name? Which is the best option? What is your name? Let's take a look at question number 2. Do you live? What's a good option here? Where do you live? I live in England. Is your job? Would you say, where is your job? Maybe my job is in London. But the best option is, what is your job? I am a teacher. What are you from? No. Where are you from? Think about our last lesson with nationalities, places. Where are you from? I am from France. We're going to go ahead now and start talking about time. We touched on our WH questions, but I'd like to know, what time is it? This is how you can ask for the time. What time is it? Could you tell me the time, please? The use of please makes this very polite, very formal. So we could use this when asking a stranger for the time on the street, a teacher, a colleague. Could you tell me the time, please? What time is it? It's informal. It's breezy. You could say that with friends. Let's try to guess the times. What's this time here? It's 3 o'clock. In English, if we are on the hour, we call it 3 o'clock. We always use o'clock on the hour. 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. It's 7:30. The hour is 7 and half the time has gone. It has passed. 7:30. We don't say 7:30. But what about this one? We can see the hour is in 4 still. We're close to 5. And there is quarter of the time left to go. It is 4:45. If this hand here was pointing there, what would we say? We use quarter again, but what is it? It's quarter past 4. If it is before 1/2 past, we say quarter past. We could say 10 past, 5 past. So we can use that to say past if it has gone past that time. Get that off the screen. If we've gone past the 1/2 past point, we could say it is 25 to, 20 to, 10 to the hour, to 5. Let's practice with some examples. I would like you to look at the clocks and tell me the correct time. What is the time shown on the screen? 3, 2, 1. It's 3 o'clock. It is on the hour. How about this one? Half the time has gone. 3, 2, 1. 12:30. Okay, how about another? Let you think this one through. I'll give you 5 seconds to think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 9:30. And how about this one? It's on the hour. 2 o'clock. A final one here for telling the time. 3, 2, 1. It is 11:30. Good work. Now I'd like you to tell me, are these true or false? It is 6:30. What do we think? It's false. So what is the correct answer? It's on the hour, so it's o'clock. It is 6 o'clock. How about this one? It is 9:15. A quarter of the time? No, it's false. It's 9:30. One more. It's 2 o'clock. Is this true or false? It's 2 o'clock. That's true. Well done. Good work. So if you'd like more practice with time, and we will go into this in other lessons, but there are worksheets available in the description below and in the QR code. In this lesson, we have learned to answer questions and exchange basic personal information. And we've built on our previous lessons talking about nationality, things of that nature. We've learned how to ask and tell the time in English, and we've learned how this can be formal or informal. We use WH questions asking about name, location, jobs, and in our worksheet we talk a little bit about hobbies, things we like to do in our spare time. Now, if you would like more practice with that, please sign up to the Patreon where you can get access to the worksheets. But I'm going to leave it there for now, and I will see you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day.